Hello all my creative friends. Thank you for being loyal to our creative channel. Today I will show you how to make a carnation flowers. This flower for organza, and I hope you like and enjoy this channel. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And let's prepare the material that we will use for making the flower. The materials are ribbon, flannel, lighter, scissors, thread and needle, stamen, glue and glue gun. The first step, you cut the ribbon according to the size, the weight 2.5 cm and the length 1.5 meter. Okay. Take thread and needle. This thread and needle. And this is you fold like this and start sewing. You cut first. You start sewing. Sewing. And you keep sewing here like this. And you fold again like this. You keep sewing. Again. Like this. You keep again. Like this until the end of the ribbon here. And this is the result. And now you take a stamen, you put here, give the glue, and you roll like this. You give glue again and keep rolling like this. Give a glue. Give again. Until to form the flower. And now you take a satin ribbon you cut about 9 centimeters and you cut. You take lighter, you melt. This. You make the leaves and you cut the flannel in a circle like this and give the glue and put it under the flower and take leaves, give the glue and you put under the flower. And the carnation flower has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.